Hey guys, this is DemonSwamp55, and today I've got an interesting tutorial for you. I had to check 100%, but I think this only works with x86, which would be 32-bit operating system users. But I will check, and if there is a 64-bit, I will put the 64-bit version in the description as well. So I will put this link in the description, or I will put a link to the website which talks about this, so if you want to read about it as well, then you can do that. So I'll probably put that instead. Okay, so if you have WinRAR, you can just run it. You don't have to save it. I'm just gonna run. Okay, and then it'll take a second. I'm gonna get the Windows 8 developer preview, but or not developer, I guess customer preview. Sorry about that. And I will actually get back to you on maybe how good that one is, if it actually works well. So this looks like it might take a couple minutes or so, so I'm gonna pause the video so you do not have to sit here and wait for me to finish downloading the file. So if you will give me just 2 minutes. Okay, so this is nearing done, so again, just give it another couple seconds. Okay, there you go. I'll just drag this off to the side here, down here for now. Oh, okay, I'll close the whole thing. Should still be able to run it even with that thing emptied. Yeah, okay, so it's extracting it. As I said before, I'm not sure if this is just for x86 or if it's for x64 as well. Okay, so you can minimize. Oh, I guess I should tell you what this is. This is a Lion Mac OS X 10.7 theme installer for Mac OS X. Well, for Windows 7, but it's going to make it look like a Mac. Okay, so it tells me that I should end all programs, but I'm gotta record this for you guys, so I never really do that anyways, and I never had any problems. So I'm going to click Custom, and I'm going to uncheck all of these, which is install the toolbar, set as my default search provider, and set as my home page or whatever, from the top to the bottom. So okay, so give me a second, guys. This thing is being annoying right now, not letting me uncheck the boxes. Maybe I'm not hitting them right, so hold on. Why is my cursor doing that? Okay, so I'm gonna actually hit back for a second. Okay, there we go. See if this will let me do it properly this time. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. It's being stupid. Okay, so it's like set as my default search provider, set as my home page, and install the toolbar. None of which I'm going to do just because I don't need to. Okay, so that you can't. I recommend leaving this. You can hit here and see what file types it's going to install. DLLs, EXEs, and then something CPL. Or, yeah, CPL, which I don't know what that is, but I recommend leaving that. Here's where you can actually customize. So, I will go through this and then come back and I'll go set all this up and then come back and tell you what I've selected, and that way you know what you can select. You can leave it if you want, leave everything installing, but I'm just going to do certain ones, so hold on. Okay, so I kind of left everything the same. The only change I made was taking off disk drive and left-sider. Left-sider will just take these open, or maximize, close, and minimize buttons and put them on the left side like you would on the Mac, but you don't need to install that. So, and if you really want that, you can leave it. I just don't want to because it just takes up extra space. So then I hit next, and again I will pause the video because this looks like it's going to take a while to install, and I bet you guys want to just sit here and watch it install. On yours you can, but I don't think you want to watch that during a video, so I will pause the video. There we go. I will pause the video and be back once this has installed. Okay, so it is installing. I'm going to end this video here, and then, because all it's going to do is it's going to end the install, and then it's going to tell you that it needs to reboot, when likely. Yeah, see, there you go, you're getting, if you heard that, you got the Mac sounds now. So I'm going to end this recording, and then I'm going to let this finish. Okay, so I will record another video once I'm back into Windows. Okay guys, so I'm back after my reboot, and as you can tell, I've got my Rocket Dock here. If I right click, I got the Mac sounds. If I click on something, if I double click and open a folder, I get the Mac stuff. It looks like Mac. Now, as I said, I didn't install LeftSider, but you get your like close things, and I'm not sure if it closed it to the app or how it closes it. Sometimes it. Let's see what this one brings up here. This one brings up your Internet Explorer, which disappoints me. It should bring up your default internet browser, but you know what? That's perfectly fine. Because I don't use Internet Explorer, but we can use it to check this out. So there's a bunch of videos here, like pictures and stuff here. This is your new homepage for Internet Explorer. It actually looks kind of cool. And, let's see, what else do we have here? I think this is a stack here. Nope, this will bring up your one of your things here for it to load. This is a stack, if I'm not wrong. Oh no, that just brings up your calculator, which is your standard Windows calculator. So it's still your beloved Windows PC. It just looks a lot nicer. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to keep this. Okay, so here's your little applications thing. It looks like so. So if I click on something, open it, just like it would on a Mac. Yep. So I guess if I click this, it should open control panel. What else can I show you here? If I open, I'll do this last one here. This will open up your user. I'm thinking, yeah, it opens your user. Alright, so anyways, this has been Demon Spawn 55 for, well, me I guess. And I hope you've enjoyed this video.